Hey guys, it's me King Diablo, and in today's video I'll give you a full guide on how to create a OnePlay account on your Android devices. So OnePlay is basically a cloud gaming app that lets you play your games on any devices, including a potato PC or a Android TV or Android phones or iOS phones or Mac devices, any device you want. You can play any games in there, even in the low specs devices. So with a stable internet connection and a OnePlay subscription, you can play games like Starfield or Elden Ring even on your Android devices. All you need to use this app is a stable internet connection, and you can play your games anywhere, even on your Android devices. OnePlay servers are located in India, so if you are from India, then you will get a stable gaming experience without any lag or stutters. So to start playing your games on OnePlay, first you need to create an account. Just go to oneplay.in and create an account from there. So once you have entered the sign up page, just enter your name, email, phone number and password and your gender and create your account. Then you will need to verify your email and phone number to proceed. If you followed these steps correctly, then you should be able to create your account easily. Once you are done creating your account, you will be redirected to this OnePlay page, which is the home page for OnePlay app. From here, you will need to purchase your subscription in order to start playing your games. There are both hourly and monthly plans available for this app, so you can purchase any of these plans and start your gameplay. Currently, these are the payment methods you can use to purchase the subscription for OnePlay cloud gaming service. So once you're done creating your account and buying a subscription for OnePlay cloud gaming service, all you need to do now is open your Google Play Store and download the OnePlay app. I've already downloaded the app, so I don't need to download it again, but for you, just download it and log in inside the app with your account that you created previously. So now you are all ready to start playing your games. There are currently a lot of games available in this service like Elden Ring or Starfield, or even the games like Cyberpunk and GTA 5. Now to start playing, just search for the game that you want to play and then select the show gameplay settings option. Also from here you can select which platform you want to run the game on, like Steam or Epic, but for this version of Death Stranding there is only the Epic Games version, so I will select it by default. Now after you have selected the show gameplay settings option, press on play now and you will see this settings option. From here you can select the resolution of your gameplay, also the FPS and other settings from here. And remember to set your bitrate according to your internet connection speed, or else you will face stutters in the game. So I'll be using my 4G SIM connection for this video. So if you're using 4G connection for this app, you should be able to see how much performance you will be getting out of it. But if you're using 5G or Wi-Fi connection, you should be able to get even better performance out of it. So if your game starts with a stretch screen like this, all you need to do is go to the gear option on the top left corner of the screen. From there, select advanced option and then enable the stretch screen option once and then disable it again. Now let's see some gameplay. Now once you are done playing the game, always remember to quit the game from in-game first before closing it from OnePlay. If you close it directly from OnePlay, there might be some issues with cloud saving for Steam or Epic Store. After you quit the game, just select the gear option in the top left corner of the screen and then select Quit Stream. After that, press the Terminate option. If you want to see a detailed guide video like this for the OnePlay PC version, I have already done that video on my channel. I will link it in the description below. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. I will see you in the next video.